Can your keyboard become a silly musical instrument? Let's press some keys and find out.
Boing,
Meow.
pop,
Today we're building a silly sound piano with Python and Pygame. Each key has a special power. A makes a boing sound. S makes a pop sound. D calls a meow. F plays a drum. Every key becomes part of our funny piano. Before our silly piano can play sounds, we need to put everything in the right place. Think of our project folder as a toy box. The Python file is the brain. The sound files are the toys. When the program wants a sound, it looks inside the toy box and finds it instantly. If a sound is missing, the piano won't know what to play. Now it's time to create our silly sound piano step by step. First, Pygame creates a game window. Think of it as opening a stage for our silly concert. Everything will happen inside this window. Next, we teach the piano what sounds to play. When A is pressed, play boing. When D is pressed, play meow. It's like giving every key its own personality. Now the game waits and listens. Did someone press a key? If yes, play the matching sound. The computer becomes a very good listener. When a key is found,
boom,
the sound starts playing. Just one line of code turns a key press into noise. Can you make your own silly piano? Try adding a dog bark, a laser sound, a monkey noise, or even your own voice. How many crazy sounds can you fit on your keyboard? This is the complete code for our silly sound piano. Want to try it yourself? Download the code from the link below.